Hi guys. Okay, first of all, this is my first time vlogging with this camera. Today is my birthday dinner, 30th birthday dinner. Yes, you guys, I turned 30 a few days ago, and today we have decided to celebrate with my friends and my family members. So I'm so excited. And this is the outfit. This outfit is inspired by Bella Hadid. Actually, even her, she turned 30 on her birthday. She wore this leather trouser with top, similar top with what I'm wearing right now, but hers is a little bit different. I'm going to put the outfit here if I can find it, which was so simple and cute. So I was like, okay, I think I'm going to wear the same thing because I didn't know what to wear. I knew I didn't want to wear something super flashy, so this is so comfortable for me. I really love these Zara jeans. They are super comfortable. Like, look at this, and they came with this belt, which is so nice. Okay, I am going to try to turn the camera. Wait, I don't know how to turn the camera so that you can see the full outfit. Okay, here we are. I'm going to put you here. This is the outfit. So cute. This is Tati. I am wearing my red kitten heel from Zara. I didn't want to wear a wig. This week I was going to do a sewing or like braids, but my husband was like, why don't you wear a wig? I was like, I miss wearing wig. And now I'm so happy that I picked wig. So yes. Okay, I still don't know how to use the camera, but I think now it's perfect. I don't know. Now it's following me, which is perfect. I'll see you guys outside. Good girl, it's your birthday.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God.
Bello davvero. Anche da lontano. Ciao Cing Cing. Okay, time to open birthday presents. I am going to put my mic somewhere here, and even Esme is excited to open. What are we going to open first? Perché?
Una più grande.
Una più grande. I even like the color of this. Look how pretty is this. Let's get started. Which one are we going to start first? Okay, the first present is this one actually. Let's start with this one from Daddy. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Super excited. Actually, I used it a little bit for this vlog yesterday because I opened it already because I was so excited. This one here. but I have a video, like unboxing video. I'm going to show you that later. And that is the first present, which is so cute. Like, I can't wait to use this camera. We are going with this one next. Let's open. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. A necklace. I really want one pair of necklace that I can wear like every day, and I think this one is going to be perfect. This one is from my sister-in-law. Thank you so much, Danny. So I'm super excited. I am going to wear this like every day, I think, because it's so cute and so tiny. I really like simple necklaces like this one, because I wear my other like zodiac sign necklace every day, and I think this one is going to be like perfect replacement of that. Next.
Questa da parte di
Di parte di chi è? This one I think is from Flavia. Yes, I think this is from Flavia, my Brazilian friend. I have two Brazilian friends, if you saw from the video. One with the straight hair and the other one with like curly hair, Luciana. So yes, let's open the one from Flavia. Oh dear, this is cute. This is amazing because I've always wanted to get something in silver. So yes, this is the necklace. This one is from my friend Luciana, and it comes, oh, c'è anche una letterina.
difficile da
Aprire. Aspetta, aspetta.
no, le unghie.
See, no, but it's difficult to open, I think. I'm not going to read what it says because this is for me. Let's open. And every
Oddio.
this one is so cute. I really like the color of this. Like, look how cute is this. Oh, I think you can focus, but yeah. I think it's a ring or earrings, but I think it's a ring. Let's see.
Non guarda.
A ring or earring? Ring. A ring. This one is silver, which is so cute, and I think it's going to fit me perfectly. With a heart. It's so cute. So cute. Metti per bene. Questa we put back here. Okay. And it's time. Okay, for my other present from my sister-in-law. She spoiled me so much with the fresh flowers, the necklace, and even this one. Okay, let's open. Okay, I know already what is it inside. Ding, 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 ding.
New Balance.
Why?
Posso vederle?
Wow, this is what I really wanted, because oh my god, this is what I really wanted. The New Balance. I really wanted this New Balance in blue. Love this. I'm so happy. Now it's time to open a present from my friend Carlo. Okay, this is so fancy. Oh, let's open. Oh, and there is even a letter inside. Something. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this one, as I said, is from my friend Carlo and his partner. So I'm super excited to open this because everything looks like super chic, and I love me some red so much, so I'm super excited. I am super excited to open this. Wow, look how pretty this is. I wish I had this yesterday, because yesterday I had like red heels with a red bag from H&M, and I don't have anything like this. This is perfect. It has my name inside, Mariam. I really like that the bag is super versatile because it comes with this straps. You can wear this crossbody bag. It has very beautiful, like a contrast of color. Inside it has pink and outside it's red, and even the belt inside pink and outside red. Those are my birthday present that I got from my friend. I'm so happy for everything because their present, they are all something that I wear and I use all the time. So I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for birthday present, and thank you so much for celebrating with me yesterday. I had a wonderful time. Like, it was everything. I'm so happy. Thank you guys. Love the bag.
My birthday! Ta-da!